Every time you tilt your head to read your phone, you load your neck. At 60 degrees of flex, this is 27 kilograms of force on your spine. Do it for yours, and it is called Tech Neck. NeckGuardian is a different fix. Instead of nagging you to sit up straight, it does the work for you. A 5-joint tentacle arm rides on your shoulder, hands-free, and grips the phone from behind so that the screen always faces you. As you walk, your body bobs and sweats. A normal grip would let the phone whip around. The NeckGuardian cancels that motion in real time and keeps the screen locked to your eye line. What's the readout? Eye offset drops to 0. Neck flex 0 degrees. Neck load falls back to 5 kilos. The weight of the natural, healthy posture. The status reads Guardian.